You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase. That means literally with pleasure. So that's when somebody says thank you to you or merci, and you want to say you're welcome, but in a bit of a stronger way. So you're welcome, and I did it with pleasure is essentially what it means. Avec plaisir. Avec, meaning with in French. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. So if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.